Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the best products for your business needs. Today, we're diving into the Ilyapa Rustic double-sided swinging chalkboard sidewalk sign, a standout in outdoor business signage. Whether you're running a cafe, a restaurant, or a retail shop, this might just be the perfect fit for you. Let's dive in. The Ilyapa Rustic double-sided swinging chalkboard sidewalk sign stands out as a versatile and durable option for businesses looking to make an impact. Crafted with a heavyweight wooden frame, it's designed to withstand various weather conditions, ensuring longevity and reliability. Its ample writing space, featuring a large magnetic chalkboard surface, provides plenty of room for creative advertising, daily specials, or quirky messages that catch the eye of passers-by. This makes it not just a signage solution, but a creative tool to engage your audience. What sets this apart are the convenient accessories included: an eraser and 4 pieces of white chalk, ensuring you're ready to customize your board straight out of the box. Plus, it's designed for both indoor and outdoor use, with adjustable feet to accommodate uneven surfaces, perfect for sidewalks or outdoor events. Built to last, this sandwich board-style sign combines practicality with aesthetics, enhancing the ambiance of any setting from bustling city streets to charming suburban corners. Its rustic charm adds character while its sturdy construction ensures it stays firmly in place. Whether you're a small business owner looking to attract foot traffic or a wedding planner adding a rustic touch to your event, the Ilyapa Rustic double-sided swinging chalkboard sidewalk sign delivers both style and substance. With a lifetime warranty and a commitment to customer satisfaction, Ilyapa ensures you're investing in a quality product that's backed by reliability. That wraps up our review of the Ilyapa Rustic double-sided swinging chalkboard sidewalk sign. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on products that can elevate your business. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.